Richie Ruckus Beats.
YouTube, it's your boy Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Saturday, December 15th. We only have 10 more days until Christmas. I had a completely different video planned for you guys today. I actually ended up picking up 2 new pair of sneakers today, and the one was a bit of a surprise, and that's the one we're actually going to jump into today. So today's original video will now be going up tomorrow. Both are courtesy of the good folks over at Lapstone Hammer. And today's unboxing, like I said, is a bit of a surprise. I entered in a raffle, and then there was a shipping delay from the manufacturer to Lapstone Hammer, and I wasn't sure when these were going to come in. I wasn't sure if I was going to win the raffle, because they didn't announce the winners until they had all the pairs secured for the winners. So I had to do some due diligence, and when these dropped 2 days ago, I went and made sure I secured an Asia pair on YeezySupply.com, and, you know, with them, God knows if and when they will ever arrive at my house, but I was able to secure an Ace pair on Yeezy Supply, and then I waited mine out. It was a bold move, because I thought these were going to be a lot harder to secure than they were. I know they're actually still sitting on some foot sites, and checking out Instagram today, they're still sitting in store in some places, but I'm not a person who believes in hype as far as my own personal purchases. These are a pair of sneakers that I needed. These are a pair of sneakers that I desperately wanted. You guys know your boy, I don't do the resale game. So when I seen that these were being restocked globally, I had to get my hands on a pair. And enough of me babbling. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We got that Yeezy 350 V2 in the semi-frozen yellow colorway. You know your boy had to grab these. You know your boy had to secure himself a pair of these. And like I said, I'm not somebody who believes and lives by what's hype and what the internet tells me is cool. I am a humongous fanatic. I am a Volt connoisseur. I am a Volt fanatic. I am a neon yellow, neon green lunatic. So when these dropped last year, which was like a little over a year ago, I guess. It was in November. I remember it was the day after the Lapstone 2-year anniversary party. So yeah, these are like 13 months removed from the original release. I don't care what anybody says. I know these got trashed back then. I know they're probably really getting, you know, dumped on right now because of how widespread they are. And I thought the creams were going to be the most made Yeezy, most manufactured Yeezy 350 V2. And I know the sesame sat in some places, but these are all over the place. Like I'm 100% sure they're still sitting on like Champs and stuff like that right now online. So if you guys want a pair, go grab them, because in hand, these are fire. These are perfect. That gum bottom, I know people hate that yellow midsole goes into that gum bottom around the back, and then you got the gum bottom on the bottom. But I just feel like these were super fire. It's got that zebra pattern. It's a neon yellow, and I want to say it's like a bluish gray, like a steel type gray that's involved in this. The Supply 350 is in a light, faint red, almost a peach. Same with the dotted lines on the pull tab on the heel, an even fainter peach color. You got the neon Volt semi-frozen yellow insole, black Adidas and Kanye West Yeezy branding. Just the traditional 350 V2. There's nothing, you know, too much to dive into. These sneakers have been reviewed since last year on YouTube. But like I stated, and as I will always state, I live above hype. I don't let the internet tell me what's cool and what people tell me what's cool. If you guys don't like these because they were easy to get, then, you know, you don't really like sneakers. It's the same with anything. Like, I know people like collecting rare things, and people like, you know, stunting on other people. But if you are a genuine fan of the semi-frozen yellow, it shouldn't matter to you if you're the only person in your circle or if the whole squad eats. And that's just, you know, how I live. And, you know, I have friends that come to me and ask me to grab them sneakers, and I do it for them. It's not like, you know, I don't shy away from that because I'm worried that a friend is going to have the same sneakers as me. Now, if we go out in the same outfit, same sneakers, you know, a little suspect there. But, you know, someone having the same sneakers as me does not bother me. I actually encourage that kind of behavior, because then it's a talking point if you run into a stranger. You see someone with these on, you may not know them, conversation strikes up, so on and so forth. That's pretty much it on the review front. We're going to go do the on foot. I'm going to do it in the sneaker room because it is torrentially downpouring here in Philly, and it's supposed to do it all weekend, so tomorrow's on foot is probably going to happen in here too. I'm actually going to be doing a little bit of construction-ish, little redecorating of the sneaker room, probably after I'm done editing this video. So tomorrow's video, the room may look slightly different. But before I get out of here, my brother, Midwest Native, dropped 2 brand new camo hoodies. The quality on them is fire. I am personally going and ordering myself a blue camo one as soon as this video is over. I'll have the stuff going across the screen. Make sure you guys go give my boy a shout out. Go give my boy a look. Go see what he's got going on over there. MidwestNative.com. But that's it, guys. We're going to go do the on foot. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace!
Play this record as frequently as possible.
Richie Ruckus Beat.
Yeezy 350 box. Shebangin'.
Richie Ruckus Beat.